Hello everybody and a happy new year from the snowy off-grid homestead. This is Troy from the do-it-yourself world and the off-grid project. We're supposed to get between 1 and 8 inches today of snow on this New Year's Day, New Year's Eve day, December 31st, 2018. I hope you all have safe travels today and this evening and tomorrow, and spending time with your families. I am working on DIY tube and the do-it-yourself world electronics today, so I'm running out to my electronics shop to grab some components. But it's coming down. It is coming down. Well guys, we've had some ups and downs this past year. We've had some good things and bad. 2019 will hopefully bring better days and better times. I certainly am going to strive for it, and we are working towards that here on our property for sure. Got big plans ahead. I am going to get back into recording daily as I have always done, and right now though, today is about the electronics. I am wiring up the Bedini motor and the wiring in my off-grid office. So you can check that out on the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics channel on DIY Tube, where I have all of my electronics videos now, since YouTube demonetized my electronics channel back then. Anyway, wishing you all happy holidays and safe journeys, and I will keep this brief so that my internet speed will tolerate it and get it up sometime yet this year. Well, it is this year. Alright, talk to you all later. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World, the Off-Grid Project, the end of 2018. Hopefully the beginning of a new, good, and better year. Goodbye.